End today's video. I am going to teach you how to create an app icon in Figma. First, open your design in Figma and create a square frame to serve as your canvas. A square ensures your proportions stay consistent across platforms. Common sizes like 1024, 512, or 250. 6 pixels work well for a master file, since they scale cleanly later. Give the frame a solid fill so you are designing against the real background color from the start. And center your work to keep everything balanced. Now, build the icon using Figma's basic shapes. Rectangles, circles, and polygons give you crisp, reliable geometry, while the pen tool lets you draw custom paths for unique forms. Keep edges clean, snap to the pixel grid when possible, and use alignment and distribution tools to maintain even spacing. Apply fills, strokes, and corner radii to refine the style. When adding effects like gradients or shadows, keep them subtle. They should add depth without stealing focus. Check contrast so the icon reads well on both light and dark backdrops. And do a quick zoom out to make sure details remain clear at small sizes. As you place elements, keep important details away from the edges. Most app platforms mask icons into rounded rectangles, which can clip artwork that sits too close to the boundary. Leave comfortable padding all around. Think of it as a safety margin so the design looks intentional within a rounded corner shape. Using negative space strategically also helps the icon feel simpler and more memorable. Once your layout feels right, select related layers and group them so you can move, scale, and align elements together without losing structure. Grouping keeps the file tidy and prevents accidental tweaks. If you've built complex compositions from many layers, consider using Flatten to merge them into a single object. Flattening simplifies the final artwork and reduces the chance of tiny misalignments. If you expect to make revisions, duplicate the group first so you retain a fully editable version before flattening. When you are ready to share the icon, select the frame itself and go to the Export section in the right sidebar. Add an export setting. Choose PNG for a ready-to-use raster image with optional transparency, or SVG for a scalable vector, when that's supported. Pick the size you need: 1x degrees Fahrenheit or standard, 2x degrees Fahrenheit or high-density displays, or 4x degrees Fahrenheit or extra sharp assets. Name your frame clearly so the exported file is easy to find. Then click Export. That's it. Thanks for watching.